Alright boys, we're staying at the Suwannee River for the weekend. Thought I'd show you all the place. Right here we got a dock, actually an elevated dock. There's the house. There's another dock. And we've got a ski boat. And y'all can't see, but a jet ski and a G3 aluminum. So we're gonna be bass fishing out of the G3 aluminum, skiing out of the ski boat, and then we'll drive the jet skis too, because I can do the jet skis. I've had my boater safety course. As you can see, this is a big river. Y'all can't even tell, probably fourth of a mile, maybe a fourth of a mile wide. It is very big river, and as you can tell, the water is not like a clear spring fed, but it's not like a muddy kind of river like we have around us. It's a black color, almost like a swamp. The river color is very similar to Lake Seminole, so I believe the fishing will be pretty dang good. We're after largemouth, and there's actually a special species of bass that only lives on a few rivers in the state of Florida and Georgia, and that is the Suwannee bass. Now we're in Florida, so they're a little bit more common where we are, but we're fishing for largemouth and the Suwannee bass. Never caught one in my life. I don't know many people who like regularly target them or whatever, and I don't know many people on YouTube filming Suwannee bass fishing. So let's see if we can get us a Suwannee bass, or at least some largemouth. And if not, we're gonna film the tubing and the jet skis probably, and maybe some swimming underwater film. So y'all stay tuned for that. We'll get back to you. There is the G3 aluminum, and there's a jet ski up there, if y'all can see that ski boat. So I don't think we're gonna go out on the boat and fish any today. Might go out and tube or something, or ride the jet skis. But I'm just gonna pitch this bank. Y'all, look at that. You can't even see my worm in the water, it's so dark. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Docks usually hold fish.
Dock, yeah, they hold. We ain't got long tonight, about 35 minutes probably. Hand me one of those poles.
Alright, y'all, I'm throwing a watermelon seed speed worm. We're just fishing docks right now. Get up there.
Yeah, we were trying to get up that long one. Well, we went in there to eat at the Fiddler's, the big restaurant, but it's closed for no, I mean, sun's already set, but there's cloudy have it up here. So. All right, let Mom know we made it. We doing good. All right, bye.
Alright, we're about to move locations across the river and see if we can get some bites.
There's a campground out there really big.
Yes, sir.
Now, wait, we just go fishing the lily pads real quick. At times past, we've rolled spinner baits, you know, along the edges.
Yes, sir.
And or even crankbaits. You can set that seat back down.
Okay. Alright, y'all. About to try these lily pads right here. See if we can get bit.
There was a sturgeon.
Y'all, sturgeon just busted out there.
There's another one coming.
They will scare the crap out of you coming out of the water like that. Oh, there's a doe looking at me. Can you see through that hole?
Yeah, I see her in there turning sideways.
It was a doe. 2 does just ran right by on the bank. There they go. There's 4 or 5 in there. Oh, there's a, y'all can't barely see him because of this log, but there's, wouldn't you say that's a 6-7 footer?
Every bit of it is big as it is.
6-7 footer. Right here, there's some absolute monster alligators in this river. This is certainly not the biggest one, but it's the first one we've seen. Let's see if I can show him to y'all. Alright, his head is right there where my rod tip is. Got one. Oh, some mudfish.
Ah, yes, sir. Old blackie.
Mudfish.
Old blackie.
Quit flipping.
And that makes me wonder, especially the one that bit off my bait, you know.
I had to let him carry it forever. Let me see if I can.
And then got some tooths now.
Here, can you press the button on that? Might have to borrow your pliers. Dang gracious, it woke up and came with us. It could have seen a mudfish. There's a mudfish, y'all. It's a bowfin, whatever you want to call it. I thought it was a good sized largemouth.
I wondered the way he looked sort of long and slender when he came out of there.
Did the hook come out? Hook came out. Alright, y'all.
Don't you put that thumb.
Ooh. I was trying to put it right there.
There you go.
It's a little bowfin. Oh. Little bowfin. There he is, y'all. Little bowfin. Get on out of here. Fast. I had the thing turned off.
Yes, sir.
Y'all, I literally, I don't know why I thought I had the camera off. I turned the GoPro off as he set the hook. But that, show me what that is. That is a Suwannee bass, believe it or not. Oh, God. Don't get away before we get a picture with him.
Look at there. We got fish this morning, guys.
This is a little Suwannee bass, y'all. I only live in a few rivers in the United States. Don't get away, please don't. Please don't get away. It's a Suwannee bass, y'all. That is insane. I can't believe it.
Look, can you show them? The red eye that
See
distinguishes.
the red eye, and they've got this darker coloration.
And vertical stripes on it.
See that?
Beautiful.
That is insane. He's got one.
Mudfish.
Oh, no. Dadgum. Oh, God. I got that on video. Mudfish let go of the crawl and hit me right in the eye socket.
That should have come right out the camera.
Whew. Dang. I thought that was either a largemouth or a Suwannee bass. Oh. Oh, that's a big mudfish. That's a big. Golly, what a mudfish. Oh, you mean to flip him in the boat or no?
Watch your limb, huh? No, don't flip him in the boat. Watch your limb.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh! That is a freaking monster.
Where's my pliers? Here you go. Let me try it. Watch behind you.
All right, we're about to get him off. Hold on a minute. I want to take a picture of just how big that mudfish is.
I didn't top it.
I've never seen one. Here. Oh god!
Got your hook.
There goes the mudfish before I get the picture.
All right, I'll go see if Gray's awake while you retie.
Yes, sir.
Brother Mud again.
That was a dang big one.
We need to find us a mud fishing tournament to put you in.
I haven't caught a bass yet. What is that, a largemouth?
That's a largemouth.
It's got a baby largemouth, just a little bitty one.
It about got the slam, right? Suwannee, the largemouth in the mud.
I know we've got the Suwannee River Slam going on. Caught the mudfish, the largemouth, and the Suwannee bass. Looked like a largemouth.
Looked like a mudfish to me.
Could have been. No, I just lost the fish. I couldn't tell if it was a largemouth or a mudfish. I think it's a mudfish now.
Looked like a mudfish, the way he held down and then launched out of there.
Dadgum. Just lost another mudfish. Well, I thought I had one.
Oh, he got a catch right. Did you record that, Jason?
Oh, I did.
Sweet.
He did bite it one time,
Did he?
but he put it back down. I actually pitched it right one time.
Beautiful, a little thump off the drop it.
Oh.
Get him in. Get him over the boat.
Let's go. Largemouth. I don't even know if y'all got that on video. I just pitched in that hole and caught my first ever Suwannee River largemouth. It's about a pounder. Out of all the largemouth I've ever caught, even the Seminole ones, this is the darkest bass I've ever caught. It's got a black tongue. It's just an absolutely cool fish. Alright, that's good. We got another.
Take a picture with him?
Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and take my picture and we'll get this guy released.
Brother Mud.
Gray's gonna reel this one in for me. I got the reel. Hold the rod tip up.
Both in.
Yep.
Whoa.
You got him on camera?
Yes, sir. Oh my gosh, what a mudfish. That's gotta be 5-6 pounds. Oh, you can't, I don't think you're gonna be able to lift him, so what I'm gonna do.
There, use the net.
There's the pliers, just grab him.
Why use the net?
Or grab him with the pliers in the lower lip, Jason.
Okay, just, no, hold on.
Don't lose my pliers now.
Hold the rod. Just hold it just like you are.
Grab him, you gonna hold him where you take a picture?
Yeah.
Lower lip.
Alright, just, whoa, lower. Just hold on, I'm gonna grab him right in the lower lip and we're gonna take a picture with him. Oh. This bowfin is trying to kill me. Out, but I got the hook out instead.
I saw you.
That's alright. Catch and release.
Broke me off.
Are you kidding? He just literally broke off. Gosh.
Over a limb.
Over a limb. Let me throw back in there.